Hey friend, welcome to my channel. Today we're just going to be doing a review of the e.l.f. Glow Reviver lip oils. I picked out 3 shades and I'm just going to swatch them for you and let you see for yourself what you think of the products. I love them, but let's stop talking. Let's get into the video. All right, you all, I'm so excited to get into this try on for you because after I got these lip oils, I don't know. I feel like it just took my makeup to another level. So of course you can buy these lip oils at Ulta and they come in a package like this. You might not know which one you want to pick, so hopefully this video will help you choose. And I picked out 3 colors. These are the 3 colors that I picked out. This one right here is called Rose Envy. This one right here in the middle is called Pink Quartz. And then this one is called Red Delicious. All right, so let's go ahead and try one of these on. The first one I'm gonna try on with you is Rose Quartz. This is the very first one that I picked out. And I stumbled on these really on accident because I was out and I wanted a gloss. And I was like, let me just try this one. So glad that I stumbled upon these. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on its own, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like with a brown liner. Because I know if you're like me, I love to pair a lip gloss with a brown liner. All right, so this is what Pink Quartz looks like. It's so pretty. It almost looks clear, just depending on the pigment of your lips, depending on the lighting, but there is a little bit of a pink hue to it. So I love this one. It's a beautiful topper, even on top of other lipstick. That's what I used it for the first time. So at the end of this video, I am going to show you my favorite combo to do it, and it does involve a lipstick. But now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my MAC Chestnut. You guys already know, and we're just going to line over it so that you can see what it would look like with a liner. And all right, this is what we are looking like with the liner. So pretty. I feel like it's just a beautiful combo that's going to look good with any makeup look really and any occasion. Like it's just a beautiful lip oil and liner. All right, and we're going to be trying the next color and I'm going to have to wipe my lips quite a few times on this video. But you know what? I have to let you see what these look like, the true color. All right, got that off. And the next color we're gonna try is this red one right here. Such a pretty red. A lot of the times the pink or the red lip glosses that are translucent don't really show up a lot on my lips, but I thought if I go in it with this really dark red color that it would show a little bit more, and it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it for you so that you can see. I love these applicators. It's something about the size that just makes it easy to apply. And these smell like mint. That was my first thought as soon as I tried it on for the first time. They smell like mint. All right, and this is the red. Very similar to the pink quartz that I just tried on, but I do see more of a red, a pinkish tone coming out. So if you're looking for a translucent lip oil, but you want more color to show, I would definitely go with this one because I feel like you're seeing more of the pinkish reddish tone. So here's that color. I think it's super pretty. Now let's add a liner. And this is what the red looks like with the liner. Super pretty. I'm loving this combo. I actually like all 3 of the ones that I picked up. I want to get the other shades just to try them out because they do have like browner tones and they had another one that's like an orangey corally color. So I would love to try all of these because I am loving the way they come out. All right, let's go ahead and wipe this off. All right, my lips still feel great. See, that's a good thing. These leave your lips feeling hydrated. I keep rubbing off product, applying product, but my lips, they feel great. And the last color, we're gonna go into this rose color, and let's go ahead and apply it. And out of all 3 of these, this is the one that shows color the most. The other ones were more translucent, but this one, the color really comes through. All right, and here is what that color is looking like. Super, super pretty. These are just perfect to have one in the car, one in your purse, one at home, one just to have, like, if you go somewhere and you need to touch up real quick, it's just gonna give you a beautiful color, and it's just a good lip oil. All right, adding the liner. And this is what the color looks like with the liner. Super pretty. If you're like me, you can see like the little differences that other people may not be able to see just because, we wear a lot of makeup and we pay closer attention to it. So the colors might seem very similar, but there are little differences that you might want to consider when you're trying to get the combo that you want for that day. But I feel like this one is so, so pretty. They're all gorgeous to me, in my opinion. I love them all. All right, so the last combo I want to show you is the one I wore for the first time when I tried this oil and I loved it. And it was with a lipstick. So let me go ahead and show that to you. And, we have to wipe it off, but it's worth it. I use my chestnut lip liner. Then I went in with one of my favorite lipsticks. This is by L'Oreal and this is the color 108. All right, and then I topped it with pink quartz. Wait till you see how this looks. It's so pretty. Like I said, you can just mix these with your favorite lipstick combos, and it's just gonna take it up a few notches. And this is what that combo looks like. I feel like it's so pretty. So these lip oils can definitely be paired with your favorite lipstick. I'm just really enjoying them. So I wanted to share them with you just in case you're curious about what the true color of these lip oils look like. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget before you leave to hit the like button, the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here. Let me know what was your favorite combo. Was it the first, the second, the third, or the fourth? Just let me know. I'm just curious. I will have all of the oils either linked in this video or in the description below. And I just hope that this video helps. And here's to happy lip combos. And as always, I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.